Hello, welcome back to my channel. LynaRules is back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing something short. I am doing a eyeshadow tutorial and I am starting with the P. Louise base. I am in shade 4 and I just wanted to have a nice base. Next, I am using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe. I am using the shade Dance Party right now, just getting it all into the crease and really saturated. Then I am going into the shade Not My Journey, the dark purple, and on top of that I am going in with Tipsy Girl to give a nice blend between the two shades and go towards the brow. Then I am wiping off my lid for a cut crease, something really nice and simple. Nice wipes. And then I'm going back with the P. Louise base with a new fresh base so my colors can be out there. And I am cutting the crease with that using a Morphe crease brush. Then I am taking the shade Not My Journey and putting it towards the outer corner with a nice flat brush and creating a nice line. And then I'm going in with Dance Party on the rest of my lid, and I'm also trying to blend those two colors together to give a nice transition. I am now using a gold liner on a, let's see, brow pencil brush kind of, and I'm just using it as a base. And then I go in with the shade Talia from the palette to give the extra strong gold shade for the line. And now I am going in with some cute little jewels that I found at the beauty supply store, and I am putting it on that line using pink and purple jewels. I really like the jewels I added. I am now putting the shade I'm In It in my inner corner, and I am putting Maybelline mascara on and a lash that I don't know the name of, but I really enjoy them. I'm now putting Tipsy and Therapy Sesh on my lower lash line and blend those together. And this is the finished look. It was really simple. I did use a white eyeliner pencil, and I just wanted to do a quick, nice eyeshadow tutorial while we were in quarantine, giving y'all some ideas, some eyeshadow to play with. It was really fun to just chill on my day off. All right. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.